In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off bad debt in Xero. When a customer is not going to pay an invoice and you've exhausted your collection efforts, it's important to write that amount off correctly so your accounts receivable and profit figures stay accurate. I'll walk you through the exact process in Xero step by step and explain what each action is doing in the background so it all makes sense. First, from your Xero dashboard, go to the main navigation menu and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including quotes, invoices, and customer activity. Next, within the sales area, click on Invoices. This will take you to a list of all your sales invoices. At the top of this page, you'll see different tabs that group invoices by status, such as draft, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. For this process, select the Awaiting Payment tab. This shows invoices that you've approved and sent to customers but haven't yet been paid. These are the invoices you'll review when deciding if something needs to be written off as bad debt. Now, from the Awaiting Payment list, choose the specific invoice you want to write off. Make sure you've already confirmed that this really is uncollectible, because once you complete this process, you're effectively accepting that you won't receive this money. With the invoice open, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. This reveals additional actions you can take on the invoice. From that menu, click on Edit. This will open the invoice in an editable view so you can update details that will help you treat it as a bad debt. In the reference field, type in something clear like Bad Debt Write-Off. Adding this reference is useful for your own records and for anyone else reviewing your accounts later, such as your accountant or bookkeeper. Next, click into the account field on the invoice line. This is the account that the revenue is currently coded to. You're going to change this so the amount is recognized as a bad debt expense rather than income. Start typing bad debt into that account field, then select the appropriate bad debt account from the list that appears. If your chart of accounts is set up correctly, you should see a specific expense account for bad debts. Choosing this ensures that the write-off is recorded in the right place in your profit and loss. Once you've updated the reference and changed the account to bad debt, go to the top right of the invoice and click on Update. This saves the changes and completes the write-off. The invoice will still show in your records, but its impact on income and receivables will now correctly reflect